Welcome back to MS English AI, everyone. Today we're doing something super fun, something every traveler, every student, every English learner uses in real life, shopping for clothes. Shirts, pants, jackets, sneakers, fitting rooms, choosing sizes. It's all real, it's all natural, and we're going to learn it step by step through a full conversation. And sitting right beside me, ready to learn everything, is Ena.
Hi guys, I love this topic already. Shopping is everyday English, but I always get confused when people ask, "What size are you?" Or, "Do you want to try this on?" So Paul, teach me everything, like I'm walking into a clothing store for the first time.
Perfect. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're in a nice clothing store in a mall somewhere in America. Warm lights, music playing, the smell of new denim, wooden shelves, tables full of folded t-shirts, a rack of colorful jackets, and a friendly store employee walks up to you with a smile. That's our setting today. I'll teach you the whole conversation, and then we'll practice together.
Okay, I'm imagining it. Bright stores, soft music, friendly workers. So, what's the first thing they usually say?
Normally, an employee walks over and says, "Hi there, can I help you find anything today?" Say it with me.
Hi there. Can I help you find anything today?
Beautiful. That's exactly how it sounds. And then the customer, which is you right now, might say something like, "Yes, I'm looking for a jacket," or "I'm just browsing, thanks." But today, you're actually looking for clothes, so let's choose something.
Okay, I'll say I'm looking for a jacket. So I would respond, "Yes, I'm looking for a jacket."
Perfect. Now, let's begin the full dialogue. I'll be the employee first, and you be the shopper. Speak naturally, like you're really inside that store.
All right, let's go.
Hi there. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Something simple, something casual.
Great. And the employee will say something like, "Sure, what size do you usually wear?"
Oh, yes, that sentence always confuses me. But let me try. I usually wear a medium.
Perfect. And then the employee might say something like, "Great, we have some medium jackets right over here. Would you like to try one on?"
I always hear try one on, but I wasn't sure what it meant before. Now I get it. It means put on the clothes to see how they fit.
Exactly. Now, say it in a natural way.
Sure, I'd love to try one on.
Very good. Now, let's keep the conversation flowing. I hand you a jacket, and I point to the fitting rooms. The fitting rooms are right behind you. You can try it on there.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Now, you walk to the fitting room. You close the curtain. The lights are bright, the mirror is tall, and you put on the jacket. You look at yourself with a little smile.
Okay, it looks nice, but maybe the sleeves are a little long.
Yes, this is exactly the moment when customers come out, look at the mirror outside, and ask the employee, "What?"
Something like, "Do you think this looks okay?" Or, "Does this fit well?"
Exactly. Very natural. Now, say your version.
"Hey, does this jacket look okay? The sleeves feel a bit long."
Let me see. Yeah, it looks great on you, but if you want shorter sleeves, you might try a small. The small might fit a little better around the arms.
Okay, let's try that.
And I would say, "Of course, let me grab a small for you."
Nice. This is very real. I feel like I'm actually shopping.
That's the goal. Now I hand you the small size. Here you go. Try this one. The fitting room is still open.
Thank you.
You walk back into the fitting room. You try on the small jacket. You look in the mirror again.
Okay, this one fits much better. The sleeves are perfect now. The shoulders feel good too.
Great. Now come out and show me.
Paul, does this one look better?
Yes, that fits you perfectly. The color looks great and the size is just right.
Thank you. So, what do people usually say when they want to buy something?
Simple. I'll take it.
Oh, yes, I've heard that in movies. I'll take it.
Exactly. And then the employee says, "Great, You can check out at the front counter.
Check out means pay, right?
Yes, check out, pay, ring up, all of those are used in stores. Now, let's continue the script.
All right.
Great. If you're ready, you can check out at the front counter.
Thank you. I'll take this jacket.
Now let's move to the counter. I'm the cashier now. Hi, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Awesome. That jacket is $59.99. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. You can tap or insert your card right here.
Okay, done.
Great. And here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day and enjoy your new jacket.
Thank you. You too.
And that is how you shop for clothes in natural, everyday American English. From walking into the store, to asking for help, to choosing your size, to trying things on, to checking out. Everything in one long, realistic conversation. And the best part is, Ena was learning just like you are right now.
Honestly, I feel confident now. If I walk into a store in America, I know exactly what to say. I know how to ask for my size, I know how to use the fitting room, and I know how to tell them I want to buy something.
Exactly. And for everyone watching, remember, the only way to get better is to practice. Listen again, repeat out loud, and keep learning with conversations like this.
Thank you guys. See you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone. Bye.